Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So I was going to do the brakes on this car. This is Hyundai Elantra. Now I was told by the owner that they were told by a automotive shop or an oil change place that there were 10% left on the pads. So looking at this, it looks like there's about 50% left on the pads. So these are brand new pads. This material here is 3/8 of an inch, brand new. This one here is slightly less than 1/4 of an inch. I would say by looking at this, there's about 50% left on the pads here. When it comes to brakes, this is a very common thing to have happen when a shop or an oil change place will tell you that you have less material on your brakes than you really do. And this is, in my opinion, just highway robbery. If you have somebody telling you you have 5 or 10% left on your brakes, I think it's always a good idea to get a second opinion. Looking at this now, the brakes don't need to be done on this car, and I'd be very wary about ever going to this shop again telling you that you have 5 or 10% left on your pads instead of 50. When it comes to automotive, scams when it comes to brake pads is a very common thing, and this is just another example of it. But guys, that's your quick tip of the week.